Hi, this is Ellen Clark, CEO and founder of Control Corrective Skincare Systems. This is a demonstration of our See New Brightness facial. This vitamin C fueled brightening facial helps fade age spots and smooth out rough, thickened texture on the face, neck, and décolleté, all without irritation. Enzyme peeling brightens things up by removing dead, dull, and discolored cells to uncover fresh, new skin underneath. An antioxidant serum infusion, brightening vitamin C mask, and wheat germ-based massage oil help minimize pores, refine texture, fade surface pigmentation, and accelerate skin repair. Skin emerges so smooth, even and luminous, it looks like it's lit from within. Best done in a series for cumulative skin brightening and smoothing results. The first step in the See New Brightness facial is to cleanse with a gentle facial wash, which we have already done. The next step is to use the balancing tonic. Our model today is a perfect candidate for this treatment. She's slightly sunburned, very typical of what you see at a resort property. They come in for a facial wanting results, and they want to lighten some of the pigmentation, but they have a little sunburn or sensitivity or just some little bit of dark spots. So this treatment is perfect for this client we're doing today. I use the balancing tonic because it hydrates and calms the skin. You're also going to use the Soothing Chamomile Eye Makeup Remover. It's a fabulous oil-free eye makeup remover. It removes everything, and you want to do all that prior to going to our next step, which is steaming the client's face with the enzyme. You're going to turn your steamer on. And we use our Zyme Peel powder and activator. You mix the two together to create a creamy paste. It's very gentle. Enzymes digest dead skin cells, so it's very valuable for somebody with sun damage, whether it's just a little bit of hyperpigmentation or a lot. The enzymes are so gentle and digest only the dead skin cells, so the client gets a polish. It also helps cut some of the oiliness that often people have, and it's very gentle on the skin. These are freeze-dried enzymes that we mix together, and then when activated by the steam, start to work. You can use a warm towel over plastic, but I really feel that the enzyme mixture on the skin works far better with steam. So you're going to get the steam comfortable for your client. You don't want to make it too strong. After warming up your enzyme, test it on yourself. Make sure it's warm but not too hot. And then you're going to apply the enzyme. It has a very nice light aroma, kind of natural, nothing strong. And you just apply it thinly. You're going to use about a flat teaspoon of powder to equal parts of the activator to create a light creamy paste, and you don't need to put it on real thick for it to work. You can use the enzyme on the neck and the décolleté as well if you'd like, depending on how you do your facial. And this is going to steam on the skin for 7 to 10 minutes. Some people have sun damage, you may have noticed, even just like right under the eye area or up here. You can even put the enzyme on the eyebrow bone, right under the eyes. Just be sure to stay maybe about 1/8 of an inch away from the eye. You can turn the client's face towards the steam and just ask her to breathe comfortably. I did not put eye pads on this client. Some clients do not want eye pads on because they're claustrophobic and they just don't like it. It's really optional and it depends on the client. But if I was to put the saturated eye pads on, I would use the Soothing Chamomile Eye Makeup Remover, saturate it, fold it over, and leave it on her eyes. So it really just depends on what your client is comfortable with. After about 7 minutes, you can incorporate your rotary brush, your Clairsonic, whatever you like to kind of loosen up more of the dead skin cells. You don't have to. If they're sensitive, you might want to avoid that. But this enzyme's doing the work very, very gently. We use a pancreatic enzyme that's very specific to dead skin cells, so it's not going to burn or eat living tissue. That's the advantage of these nice, gentle enzymes. This client was a little sunburned, but the enzyme is very gentle, so she's going to have a result without irritating or stimulating the skin. The enzyme is steamed about 10 minutes, and now we're going to remove it. You're going to turn off your steamer. You can use a warm towel if you'd like, or your sponges first. It's easy to remove. Another nice thing about the enzyme is it prepares the skin for extractions. So the skin is nice and moist and soft. Again, it's a nice polishing. This is a great first-time facial for anybody sun damaged, particularly beneficial for younger skin that is just starting to notice the signs of aging or has some pigmentation and doesn't want a treatment with a peel that's going to overstimulate. She's a little pink now. She was a little pink when we started, and actually that's not from the enzyme, it's just from the steam. So that'll all be gone by the time of the end of the facial. I follow with the balancing tonic again. Just want to make sure I've removed all the enzyme. And this is the time at which you're going to do your extractions. If you are working on sun damage, you would incorporate your LED lights. You could incorporate your high frequency and do all of that now on clean skin. Once you've done your extractions and any machines that you want to incorporate, you're going to go into your massage. We are using the Hydrocalm massage oil, which is a breathable oil. It's a wheat germ-based oil. It's hydrospersible. There's also some vitamin E in there. You don't need a lot, and I mean you don't need a lot. It's going to give you slip for the entire 10 minutes that you do your massage. Wheat germ is great for sensitive skin. Now you have two choices here. You could do a long massage on the shoulder, neck, and face, and then put the mask on, but depending on your menu and the way you structure your treatments and timing, you could do your facial massage for about 10 minutes, then put the vitamin C mask on, and then do the shoulder and neck massage. Gives you more time to massage other parts of the body. And because this is a video, we don't have time to show you a full long massage, but I really encourage you to do a nice, fabulous massage with this treatment. After we've completed our massage, you're going to be using the vitamin C brightening mask. This is a powder, a freeze-dried vitamin C concentrated powder that you're going to mix with the activator. What you want is a very thin consistency. Again, you don't need a real thick consistency. In fact, I'm going to add a little bit more activator. Another tip that I sometimes do to kind of thin out the consistency is I'll just add a few drops of the crystal sea serum, which you can do, and it just kind of fortifies the mask and it thins it out a little bit, and I just prefer that consistency. It smells really good. It smells like vitamin C, and it's going to have a firming effect as well as a brightening effect. You're going to apply the mask, and this mask is going to dry over about a 6 to 10 minute time frame, depending on what else, again, you're doing on the skin and your timing. But it usually dries in about 6 to 7 minutes. You apply it very thin. And what we're really doing is delivering vitamin C into the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, calms the skin down, lightens and brightens. The client will notice a lightening effect at the end of the treatment. She's going to go home with, hopefully, the Crystal C serum. If she has a lot of pigmentation, she's going to go home with the multi-complex fade gel at night, which is going to continue to suppress melanin and lighten the skin. She's got to go home with a sunscreen, as we know. And you want to make sure that her cleansing routine is really gentle, because if she's overstripping her skin and she's already got sun damage pigmentation, all you're going to do is, with the cleanser, if it's too strong, overstimulate. So make sure that the cleanser and the hydrating toner are part of her regimen. You can put this on the neck. I mean, this model we have here, she's got a little sunburn on her chest, so we definitely want to put it there. You can use this mask after a microdermabrasion if you just want to tighten, tone a little bit, because they will feel that, and have an anti-inflammatory mask that goes on after, because vitamin C will do that. So that you could put the Crystal C serum on and then this mask, or you could put this mask on and then the Crystal C serum, which is what we're going to do here. So this is going to dry nicely. She'll feel a tightening effect, and then we'll remove it and continue. Our mask has been on the face 10 minutes, and now we're going to remove it. Take a nice towel. Don't make it too hot, because, again, we don't want to stimulate the skin after we've just kind of calmed it down. Remove the mask. Her skin already looks kind of more even toned to me. A little pink around your nose, but that was there. Make sure you remove all of the mask. After this is all removed, we're going to apply the Crystal C serum. Again, give her skin another dose of antioxidants and vitamin C. Really plump it up and hydrate it. You'll notice that clients that are really dehydrated, the skin will just suck up this serum. You can put it on the eyelids. Really, in our line, this becomes the eye gel. We don't have eye gels. You don't need them really anymore. This would become in replace of what once was eye gel, and then the client will follow with their collagen eye defense after their eye cream or their moisturizer, whatever you have them using. I'm going to put the collagen eye defense on her next. The collagen eye defense has hydrolyzed collagen and elastin. And it's very light, so it's not going to feel greasy on the face. Absorbs really easily and fast. You just massage it in. I think we need to educate our clients more about how eye cream really helps reduce the signs of aging, keeps the moisture content higher in that area. This will not irritate sensitive eyes. Again, they can use it right on the eyelid. Then we're going to use, you can use either the Ceramide Daily Cream or the Intensive Skin Lightening Cream SPF 30. I'm going to use the Intensive Skin Lightening Cream because it is daytime right now. This is a moisturizer, sunscreen, and skin brightener all in one. This contains 2 skin brighteners, kojic acid dipalmitate and licorice root extract. They're great at lightening and suppressing melanocyte activity. So this client can brighten, the vitamin C brightens. I mean, she's getting everything that one would want to just naturally lighten her skin, brighten it over time, and protect it. So we're going to let this just soak into the skin a moment or two. You can tissue off excess if you want, or it will just absorb into her skin by itself. That concludes this treatment.